Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In today's meditation, we will be exploring what it means to live out our purpose and all the various ways we might do so. Whether you are sure of or unclear about what your purpose is, or what it means to live with purpose, this meditation will explore various ways in which we might relate to this notion. To begin this exploration, let's take some time to settle into this space. Bring yourself to a comfortable seated position that is accessible for you, ensuring that the back is straight as you invite the heart space to gently open. Allow the shoulders to soften, and then gently close your eyes for the duration of this practice. Notice if there are any areas of tension or contraction in either body or mind, and allow these areas to soften a little bit further with each outward moving breath. You do not need to change your breath in any way at this moment. Simply observe the feel of its current flow, settling more comfortably into this practice with each full breath cycle. As we become more attuned to the present moment, we become more attuned to our highest truths and our deepest intuitions about who we are and what we have to offer. And as we bring our awareness and our breath into the heart space, we slowly uncover a wisdom that rests beneath the surface layer of the mind. So take a few more moments of silence here to hold your attention on the heart, allowing the breath to open this energetic center with each inhalation, and to soften it with each exhalation. If any thoughts arise at the level of the mind, gently invite them down to the heart to be acknowledged and released. So, what does it mean to live our purpose? And if we're unsure of what our purpose here is, how might we open ourselves to discovering it? While purpose is often considered to be related to what we do in our careers, our career is just one way of expressing what it is we are here for. Purpose takes many shapes and forms, showing up in the way we engage in our families, our intimate relationships, our communities, and in the values we embody. In other words, purpose is what we make of it. For each of us, it can manifest itself more predominantly in certain areas of life than in others. In any case, by tuning into the deepest yearnings of the heart, we begin to uncover what it is we are here for. For some, the purpose uncovered is specific and tangible. For others, it is less focused and more subtle. And even if our purpose takes tangible form, What rests at the root of our purpose is our yearning to fulfill particular needs of humans or other living beings. Some of these needs might include love, compassion, safety, inspiration, equality, beauty, or any other number of virtues, feelings, or needs we all yearn for. So take a few moments to return to your breath, finding inner silence as you witness this life force flowing into and out of the heart. Allow the breath to deepen, expanding and softening the belly. And then compassionately and non-judgmentally invite any of your innate gifts to your awareness. Invite any of the human or earthly needs you long to fulfill, and any other images or ideas that ignite your heart or inspire your mind. Take this silent space now to explore whatever arises in your awareness. When you open yourself up to the possibility of discovering or deepening your purpose. Know that your purpose may change over time, or that it will continue to unfold as you move through life. Your purpose is as multifaceted as you are. With each in-breath, open your heart to the understanding that you have much to offer this world. And with each out-breath, allow your mind to soften, knowing that your purpose is unconditionally present within you. Take a few more slow and steady breaths now before we wrap up this practice, simply witnessing the breath's natural ebb and flow. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes to the space around you. I hope you enjoyed today's meditation. See you again